In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can practice free kicks here in FC Mobile. Before we do dive into this video though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you're trying to practice your free kicks here in FC Mobile, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is first open up FC Mobile on your mobile device and tap play in the bottom right corner. From here, it's going to pull up with a bunch of different sections. Since I'm on my alt account right now, it's trying to force me into head-to-head, but you're going to want to look for the bottom tab section and select live events. And from here, look for a challenge that includes free kicks. You're able to enter in this event and usually get a few tries to train your free kicks. Use these attempts to actually improve your accuracy and timing. But that's how you can actually practice free kicks here in FC Mobile. It really is as simple as that. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Not only are you going to get to practice your free kicks, but also you can get some pretty nice rewards by playing these kicking events, which is pretty awesome to go ahead and do. But before you do leave this video, it'd be pretty awesome if you could leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.